Hi there, in this video I have explained you about top 5 world-class marketplace where you could start your online career besides your studies. If you are thinking to start freelancing or want to work from your home, then this video is important for you. Any kind of work you could find online based on your interest like website development, photography, SEO, video editing, consulting, software development, clipping path, social media marketing, and many more. These are top 5 freelancing websites that are available for freelancer. Number 5. We have Guru.com. These are steps that allow a freelancer to work on Guru.com includes. First, you need to sign up on Guru.com freelancing website. Then complete your freelancing profile on the Guru.com freelancing website. Now bid on freelance project on Guru.com freelancing website. Deal with the client in an interview on Guru.com freelancing website. They hired on Guru.com. Finally, submit your work on Guru.com. Then you will get your paid. Number 4. We have PeoplePerHour. If you have ever worked on the Fiverr freelancing website, then you won't have any problem working on PeoplePerHour.com. Similarly, sign up on the PeoplePerHour.com freelancing website, then complete your profile. Now create your gigs on PeoplePerHour.com freelancing website. Apply on jobs, then they hired you. Submit your work, then you get paid. Withdraw payment from PeoplePerHour.com freelancing website. Beside gigs on PeoplePerHour.com freelancing website, it also offers freelancer to apply on jobs like buyer request on the Fiverr freelancing platform. Number 3. 99design. 99design is a website especially for graphic designer. So if you are working as a freelancer graphic designer, you can create your people on 99design and offer your services. CodeNinjas.co. CodeNinjas.co has a screening process that asks freelance software developer to prove their skill. First of all, you need to freelance software developer apply to Coding Ninjas freelancing website. Then developer pass the live interview. After passing the all test, then you become qualified Coding Ninjas of CodeNinjas.co freelancing website. Number 1. TopTal. TopTal is a website similar to CodeNinjas.co, but it has a more complex screening process. But the overall perks in getting approved on TopTal is that you get a chance to be hired by big tech companies. The main aim of TopTal is to filter freelancers to such an extent that only 3% are selected as a TopTal freelancer. Always I recommended people to work on multiple freelancing platforms. These freelancing websites are surely going to add more clients as many people limit themselves to a very few freelancing websites. So all the best for you. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below.